Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and I'm back with my Dephemerember journal. There is video on how I made the journal cover, and there's a video how I did my pages inside. So it's December 1st today, and the first prompt is opening. So I'm going to pop out this page here and work on that one. This is the good thing about having a ring-bound journal. You get to just pull out a page that you think is going to work for your idea, and then you can just use that separately. So opening, I thought about a window, a door, lots of different kind of things that could be opening, but I went back to the idea of window because I thought it might be quite nice to have curtains. So we'll see if this works out. So I got out a lollipop stick for my curtain rail, so we will hope that that goes there. I have my fabric, which is just a scrap piece from when I made my Dephemerember basket. I've split it. It looks like a little pair of trousers now. I've split it down the middle, just torn it, and I'm hoping that it sort of sits there and looks like a pair of curtains. So if the curtains open, what are we going to see when we open the curtains? So I thought it could be a little frame with the words ta-da somewhere in the frame. So it'll be like ta-da. And then I found this sticker randomly in my sticker box of this little bear. I think they're Japanese stickers, and he looks like he's saying ta-da. So we're going to put him in the frame, and then we'll get that in there somehow. We'll tear that off and put ta-da in there, I think. So that's going to be the plan, and I think we'll give the curtains some tie backs so that maybe they will be open all the time if I can somehow gather them so that you can see what's in behind. That's the plan in my head. But the first thing I think I want to do is get this stuck down, because this will take a little while to dry and properly stick, and I don't want to be fiddling about with my curtains while if that's going to move about. So for the ends of the curtain rail, I thought we would make it a wee bit fancy, and I've got these little poppers, or part of a popper. You know, it's the little things that you get a male and female bit of the popper, and I just thought it might be quite nice just as a little bit of decoration on the end of the curtain rail. So we will see how that goes, but first of all, let's get this curtain rail stuck down. This is what's good about having a prompt list. It makes you do things that you never thought that you would do. I never thought that I'd be using a lollipop stick to make a curtain rail. Now let me just make sure I'm getting this kind of in the right place, maybe up a little bit. There we are. Let's put it there. And let's just use a clip. Let me reach over and just clip that just now. And let's just pop these on the ends. That glue's not coming out very well. It's all gunged up at the top because it's nearly done. It's been nearly done for a while. I keep saying every time I use it, I think, oh, that's nearly done. There. Nice curtain pole ends. Finials. Fancy finials. Right, and that can go there. So let's just take this off and get some glue. It's double-sided. There. They're fancy curtains. I had quite fancy curtains, that pattern myself. Right, let's put that back on. In fact, let's move that up and get a small one. For this little edge bit here. And this will make sure, oh, that's not going to reach. Let's put it on a little bit. There we are. Right, so now we can think where we are going to put, maybe I'm going to do my tie backs first so that I can see where the frame needs to be, because I think the tie backs might just pull it up a wee bit. I'm not sure. Let's just tie a wee light knot. Yeah. I'm thinking I'm just going to leave it a knot rather than a bow. So we'll just leave a wee end, and then we'll get a bit. I like to, I've got loads of twine. I've got this and so much twine. You might think, oh, she's cutting a great big long bit just for this, but it makes it easier on the camera to have a long bit. And I've got so much of it anyway that it uses it up. Right, just fiddle about with that. Oh, that's quite cute, isn't it? You know, sometimes in your head, things, you think, yeah, that'll work, and then they don't. And then other times you think, oh, I'm taking a chance here. I'm not sure if this will work out, but I'm just checking that my holes are on that side for going back into the book. Oh, that's quite good, even if I say so myself. Now we've got ta-da. And I stamped this out with my VersaFine and my typewriter stamps, and we will stamp out the heading opening at the bottom. But let's do this ta-da first. Now I think what I'll do is I'll cut that just in 2 pieces to put a little hyphen in between. I had to Google ta-da, and apparently you can spell it this way, and the other way has got an H at the end of the da. But I plumped for ta-da this way. In fact, I think I might just draw in a wee. Have I got, oh no, there's a wee line. I think maybe I'll just stamp that, and yeah, and then because it just felt like it fitted better with my plan not to have 2 letters and 3 letters. These are the decisions that need made, you know. Right, where was I? About here, because you want your curtains to be over the bottom of your frame. And then this chap, and he's a sticker. I'm sure he's a sticker, yep. And then, ta-da! So much fun. So there's a little break in the prompts before the first prompt proper to give you time to do and catch up if you're behind. Right, let's get the little make sure I'm facing the right way. This is where it could all go terribly wrong. No. Good. I wondered why that was heavy there. Those clips are on. I think I will take the clips off now, and we will stamp opening down there. That's fun, isn't it? Ta-da! And you can close the curtains. If you want some privacy, you can always close these curtains. Right, now will we stamp opening straight on to the book page, or will we stamp it on this and then stick it on? I think I'm going to stamp it on this, and then if it all goes horribly wrong, we can stamp it again. I don't actually mind a little bit of you know, the corners, because I think that just kind of adds to the stamped effect. Opening, that's the right one, isn't it? Wait till I check the list. Yes, opening. For a terrible moment there, I thought maybe I've made that up. See, like that. I don't mind that, a wee line. N. And there's another N coming up, so we'll just leave that one out. I. Actually, I think I might be needing a new VersaFine. It's not quite as black and as clear as it should be. So I think I need a few wee supplies. I need some 3-in-1, I need a glue stick, and I need some VersaFine. Opening. So I think sometimes this lid doesn't go on right. Oh, there it is. I've had this a long time. Well, shows you I've had it a long time because my name's on the back, and that's when I used to do some whatchamacallit, demoing in my card making days. So that's a long time ago. It has lasted, can't complain, it has lasted a long time. Yes, and that fills that little space down there. What do we think? Ta-da! Yeah, that's that. Do you know? It's just tickling me. It does. It's tickling. It's yeah. Oh, still to cover this back of this bit. Oh, now where am I? There, under the curtains. There we are. Oh. Yeah, I'm happy with that. This is going to get chunky. I might need to make something to go round, I think, at some point. Ta-da! Right, okay, I'm going to go now, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.